Hello everyone, I am Amit Dharnia, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering of Arya College of Engineering and IT, Kukas, Jaipur. Today we will learn about the different types of wheels used in the vehicle. So let's we start. Wheels. These are the general types of wheels. There are various requirements for an automobile wheels, which are that it must be strong enough to perform the above functions. It should be balanced both statically as well as dynamically. It should be lightest possible so that the unsprung weight is least. It should be possible to remove or mount the wheel easily. Its material should not be weakened with weathering and age. In case the material is susceptible to corrosion, it must be given suitable protective treatments. The basic of the wheels, that most standard wheels are made of steel. Some vehicles are fitted with alloy wheels that are made of magnesium or aluminium. The rim holds the tire. The well of the wheel allows the tire to be removed and refitted. The center section is welded to the rim. The pilot bore fits to the hub. So this is the constructional detail of a wheel. The valve, stems and cores. There are three functions. It retains the air. It allows inflations and deflations. The rubber stem of the valve is pulled into the wheel. The valve core contains a spring-loaded air valve insert. The valve core also has a sealing washer and a seat washer. The valve cap keeps out dust and helps keep air in. And the tire pressure must be only be checked and adjusted when the tire is cold. So these are the functions of the valve, stem and cores. Now we learn about the fixing of the wheel. The wheel stud and nuts attach the wheel to the hub. The wheel stud press through the hub or axle flange. The taper on the wheel nuts screws and centers the wheels. Wheel stud usually have a right-hand thread. If it is left-handed thread, it can be marked with L. Metric thread can be marked with M or metric. So this is the wheel mounting. Wheel size, where it is denoted like 3.50 B13, 4.5 J14. That means 4.5 is the inside rim width in inches, J is the flange height, Course letter and flange profile, and 14 is the nominal rim diameter in the inches. This is a generally wheel assembly also of a disc wheel. The types of wheels, first one is steel wheel or disc wheel. It is very popular design of wheel, very strong and cheap to produce. The alloy wheels, attractive and lightweight but can be difficult to clean. Spoke wheel, that also known as wire wheels, used on older sports vehicles but cannot be fitted with tubeless tires. These also are fitted in the two-wheeler also. Divided rims, the rims are made into two halves which are bolted together. The rim must never be separated while the tire is inflated. And the split rims, the tire is held in place by a large circlip Do not remove the tire unless you have been properly trained. Custom wheels are also, in which they are of several types, like aluminum wheels, cast, forged or rolled. Race cars use alloy wheels. Custom wheels for street use, single phase casting of light alloy aluminum. And then the wheel offset, negative offset increases track width of the tires, and the positive offset found on the front wheel drive cars. This is wire wheel and disc wheel, as this is spoke wheel, also known as a wire wheel, in which there is hub and spokes. The spokes are fitted alternately in the two directions, as we can see that in figure A it is backward, and in figure B it is forward. Disc wheel. So these are the types of the wheels used in the vehicle. Thank you.